So in this course we'll be discussing about Python. Okay, Python basics. We try to we try to strong our base where we can like program lot of things, but basics is very important. Okay, so in this course we'll be focusing basics, and in this video I'll be talking about hello Python, where you can print something basic things. Okay, and at the end I will give you some homework. You should do this. Okay, then you have to submit in the comment section. Okay, I will review for sure, because there are less of the people who will do that. So I'm a Dhruvo. My name is Dhruvo. I'm a data scientist at DataWars. Let's start this course. Let's talk about some background of Python. Python created by Guido van Rossum. Okay, he's a genius, and he started as a hobby project, but evolved into a general purpose programming language. What do you mean by the general purpose programming language? The general purpose programming language simply means that we have to use day to day. Okay, and this Python was very popular when, however, when that is created. But however, currently I have the most famous programming language, I think second or third, maybe in the number one. Let me see, because the number is like for the yearly, for the year basis, the programming language is up and down. The user basis, based on the users, the users means programmers. Okay, most famous programming languages. Python, number one. Python, the number one is Python. I am correct. So the most famous programming language, sorry, and so I write it down some bullet points, because this should be structured. Okay, this course should be structured, and it's open source and free to use. Open source simply means free to use, because you don't have any restriction that you have to give money or something. Okay, open source is like everyone can use. And there is another deep things. The meaning of the open source is like, if you want to improve the program, if you want to improve this language, you can give your pull request or something. It simply means that you can create packages and all of stuff. You can play with this programming language. Okay, this is not any closed sourced. Okay, so go and learn about the open source, because if you don't know the term about open source, lot of things into the programming world, you will heard a lot of open source word. This is open source, this is closed source. So yeah, learn about that if you do not ever about that word. Okay, and also known as the SAS army knife of the programming language, due to the versatility. That's mean this is top number one languages, and the versatile. This is versatile. That's mean most of the programmers are using this language. Okay, that is why it's called Swiss's army knife. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, but okay. The key feature: easy to package building and sharing capability. You can easily create packages. We'll discuss about later on packages, but right now simply think of a packages like you can, like, for example, if you have a data and you didn't you have some data, okay, and you can't able to plot the data. You create a packaging, you create a plot package using this language. This kind of things, it's called package. But in the accurately, we'll learn about later on, okay. And then sharing capability, it's easy to share, okay, easy to share. That's mean if you create any program, you can share with your friend easily, okay. Extensive package ecosystem and data science. That's mean there are a lot of packages you can use in the data science field. Can handle various structures from visualization and database. This is too boring. I'm talking this. I don't know. Anyone can listen this. I have to close this.